Hello and welcome, dear students. In the last period, we have proved 7 standard formulae. Today, we are going to solve problems on these 7 standard formulae. So first of all, we revise all these 7 standard formulae. What are these? Let us see here. First formula we have proved integration 1 divided by root a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x divided by a plus c. Second formula, integration 1 divided by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 divided by a tan inverse x divided by a plus c. Third formula, integration 1 divided by x square root x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 divided by a sec inverse x divided by a plus c. Fourth formula, integration 1 divided by square root x square plus a square dx is equal to log in bracket x plus, right denominator as it is, root x square plus a square plus c. Fifth formula, integration 1 divided by square root x square minus a square dx is equal to log of x plus, right same denominator, root x square minus a square plus c. Sixth formula, integration 1 divided by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 divided by 2a log in bracket x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. And seventh last formula, integration 1 divided by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 divided by 2a log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So these are 7 standard formulae which are very important. Without these, you can't solve the problems. So remaining topic depends upon these 7 formulae. We solve some problems with the help of these 7 formulae, right? So first problem, evaluate integration 1 divided by 4x square minus 3 dx. We know all these 7 standard formulae. So here observe one thing, that in each and every formula, note that coefficient of x square. In each formula, coefficient of x square is 1 or minus 1. But here coefficient is 4. So first we take common. So it is equal to 1 divided by 4 common, integration 1 divided by x square minus 3 divided by 4 dx. Then again observe, in each formula there is sum or difference of two terms. We write terms in terms of square, in the form of square. So we can write 1 divided by 4 integration 1 divided by x square minus root 3 divided by 2 its square in the form of square. It is equal to 1 divided by 4. Then compare this denominator with one of the formula. See which formula is similar. 1 divided by x square minus a square. That means formula number 6. So apply 6 formula. So by 6 formula we can write here 1 divided by 2. Here a means root 3 by 2 log x minus a. A means root 3 divided by 2 divided by x plus a means root 3 divided by 2 plus c. Simplify this. So here this 2 and this 2 cancel here, and we get 1 divided by 4 root 3 log in bracket, take here LCM or cross multiplication. Here we get 2x minus root 3 divided by 2x plus root 3 plus c, and hence solution completed. The second problem, evaluate integration 1 divided by 25 minus 9x square dx. So here again coefficient of x square must be 1. So we take here 9 common, 1 by 9 common. Integration 1 divided by 25 divided by 9 minus x square dx. So it is equal to 1 divided by 9 integration 1 divided by, write denominator in terms of square. So 25 by 9 is the square of 5 divided by 3 minus x square dx. Compare with formula, apply correct formula 1 upon a square minus x square, that means 7, last formula. So it is equal to 1 divided by 9 into 1 divided by 2, here a means 5 divided by 3 log a plus x, a means 5 by 3 plus x divided by 5 by 3 minus x plus c. So it is equal to, here 9 divided by 3 means 3, 3 into 2 6, 6 into 5 30. So we get 1 divided by 30 log, in bracket take here LCM, so 5 plus 3x divided by 5 minus 3x plus c, and solution completed. Third problem, integration 1 divided by 7 plus 2x square dx. So here coefficient of x square is 2, so take 1 by 2 common. Integration 1 divided by 7 by 2 plus x square dx. So it is equal to 1 by 2 integration, write in terms of square. 7 by 2 is the square of root 7 divided by root 2, its square plus x square dx. It is equal to 1 by 2. So here integration of type 1 upon a square plus x square, that means second formula. So apply second formula, 1 divided by a means root 7 divided by root 2 tan inverse x divided by a means root 7 by root 2 plus c. So it is equal to, so here 2 divided by root 2, that means root 2 and this root 7, root 2 into root 7, so we get 1 divided by root 14 tan inverse root 2 goes to numerator into x divided by root 7 plus c, and solution completed. Fourth, integration 1 divided by square root 3x square plus 8 dx. So it is equal to, see here coefficient of x square is 3 inside root, so we take 1 by root 3 outside, common 1 by root 3 integration 1 divided by square root x square plus 8 by 3 dx. So it is equal to 1 by root 3 integration 1 divided by square root x square plus, write in terms of square, so you can write here root 8 divided by root 3, its square dx, and this is of the left 1 upon root x square plus a square, that is formula number 4. So it is equal to 1 divided by root 3 integration log of x plus denominator as it is, that is root x square plus root 8 divided by root 3 its square plus c, and simplify this. So it is equal to 1 divided by root 3 log x plus square root x square plus root 8 square means 8, root 3 square means 3 plus c, and hence the solution. Fifth, integration 1 divided by square root 11 minus 4x square dx. So your first step, coefficient of x square must be 1. So we take 1 upon root 4 outside, common root 4 means 2 outside root, integration 1 divided by square root, inside root we get 11 divided by 4 minus x square dx. So it is equal to 1 by 2 integration 1 divided by square root 11 by 4 is the square of root 11 by 2 minus x square dx. Compare with formula, clearly 1 upon root a square minus x square, that means first formula. See first formula and apply that. So integration sine inverse x divided by a means root 11 by 2 plus c. So it is equal to 1 by 2 sine inverse, this 2 goes to numerator, 2x divided by root 11 plus c. Find the solution. Sixth problem. Integration 1 divided by 7 plus 2x square dx. So it is equal to coefficient of x square 2. So take common 1 by 2 outside. Integration 1 divided by 7 by 2 plus x square dx. Next step, write denominator in terms of square in the form of square. 7 by 2 is the square of root 7 by root 2 plus x square dx. So 1 by 2. See formula 1 upon a square plus x square. Second formula. So integration 1 divided by a means root 7 divided by root 2 tan inverse x divided by a means root 7 by root 2 plus c and simplify. So here 2 upon root 2 cancel, root 2 into root 7 root 14 tan inverse root 2 goes to numerator into x divided by root 7 plus c. Next, seventh, integration 1 divided by x square root 4x square minus 8 dx. It is equal to, so here coefficient 4, coefficient of x square is 4, so root 4 outside. 1 upon root 4 means 2. Integration 1 divided by x square root x square minus 8 divided by 4 dx. It is equal to 1 by 2 integration 1 divided by x square root x square minus 8 upon 4 means 2 dx. Then write in terms of square 1 by 2 integration 1 divided by x square root x square minus 2 is the square of root 2 dx. Compare with standard formula. So formula number 3 here same. So 1 by 2 integration 1 divided by a means root 2 sec inverse x divided by a means root 2 plus c, and hence the solution. So in the same way we can solve problems by using these 7 standard formulas, which are very important formulas. So remember all these 7 standard formulas. Okay, we'll stop here. Till then, goodbye.